Was that Puff the Magic Dragon lives in the house. What is it, Maggie? You mad? Come on, let's go see. Come on. Come on. It's okay, no? It's okay. He's okay. Go see. Say hi.